Have you ever heard about drones? A drone is a flying vehicle as well as remote control a flying toy that I was playing with during my childhood. Based on current advanced technology, we can see that drone is attached with a camera that is able to capture images and record video. Besides, drones are able to operate autonomously to perform specific tasks like system monitoring, cycle counting, and delivery service. I believe that drone technology is widely used in commercial, industrial, military, and even in the future. Drone technology provides quality aerial imaging, precision, easy to deploy, and enhanced security system too. Well, there's one question. Why do we need drones? Will drones provide any benefit to the community? Alright, here are some advantages of drone application, such as providing tactical surveillance and suspect tracking in law enforcement, streamline agricultural management, access to hard-to-reach places, and contributing to safe infrastructure maintenance and management. Based on my research work, I will specialize more in the warehouse application used for monitoring and surveillance purpose. The image shows the rectangular bounding box classifying the object. This method is called object detection, which is the development for my research work. It uses computer technology and artificial intelligence to allocate objects in images and video. You can see that object detection has been used in many applications, which are human-computer interaction, HCI, robotic, electronic devices such as smartphones and computer, recognition or cracking security system, search engine or photo management retrieval, and autonomous vehicle. However, every application has different requirements according to the system device specification used for deployment. Drone object detection help to classify inventories in the warehouse, which reduces the time consuming to search the particular inventory. Moreover, it has a monitoring system to inspect when the intruder breaks into the warehouse. Overall, developing a drone helps to save more time, money, and effort in the warehouse. That's all for my presentation. Thank you.